Good morning, students. Today we start new chapter number 15, money. As you all are aware of money, that whenever we buy things, eat table, pay the school fees, purchase a ticket, and to do many other things, we always use money. So you know what is money? Money is something such as coins. Coins, 5 rupees coins, 10 rupees coin, or a bank notes. Bank notes are 5 rupees note come, 10 rupees note come, that is called bank notes. Used as a way to pay for goods and services and to pay the people for their work, whatever the work they do. They get the wages, salaries they got. So at that time, what the salary they got, that is called money. Clear? So in Indian currency, as you all know that money used in particular current country is called currency. So India's currency is donated by rupees sign. So see the rupees 2000 note. This is the Indian currency, and this currency is issued by us Reserve Bank of India. See the Reserve Bank of India also written, and even on the currency note you will see there is a Mahatma Gandhi series also. Clear? Why it is there? Because it begins in 1996, and even you will see there, if you see the back side of it, you will see there is written Swachh Bharat logo also with the slogan. Clear? Now see the another currency of India, that is 1000 rupees note. See here. Clear? 500 in currency note. Everybody have seen, no? 100 rupees note. Clear? 20 rupees note. Everybody is aware of these one currencies. 10 rupees note, 5 rupees note. Even there are in Indian currency there are coins also, like these one coin, 50 paisa, 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 5 rupees, 10 rupees coins. Even the backside I have shown there. Clear? Now whenever we write rupees and paise together, we always use it for expressing the price of a things in both rupees and paisa. How? See, when we buy anything or sell anything, we can express in terms of rupees and paisa. Like if I'm buying the coat, clear? So its price will be rupees 1500, and if its price is 1550 paisa, so I will write 1500.50 paisa. Clear? Now shoes price is also written in rupees. Even the bat with which you play every day, that is also come in rupees 800. Clear? Now we always use rupees sign symbol. This one is a rupees sign symbol. See, this is a symbol of rupees. And for paisa we use p. Clear? Small p we use. Clear? Now 1 rupee is always equals to 100 paisa. Clear? Even this thing you have done in third class also. Now if I want to know the price of a chocolate, it is written here rupees 25 and 50 paisa. It is written like this manner. If I want to write this thing in rupees, what I do, in place of beta and, in place of this and dot come, and this p will be cancelled. Clear? How? See, the price of chocolate will be written in rupees only, like this manner, rupees 25.50. Clear? Paisa will be removed from there and dot will be come. See, clear? See this thing, dot I put in the box also. It means that to convert paisas into rupees and paise, we put a point after counting two numbers from the right of the given number. Clear? So see this example, 593 paisa. If I want to write in rupees, what I have done, I have put dot after two numbers, and two numbers I have taken from the right. So 3 9, then I put a dot. Clear? We always put from the right hand side, not from the left hand side. Clear? Now I will tell you how to write money. We can write money in words also and in figure also. Firstly, I will tell you how to write in figures. This thing already told. Suppose to us rupees 45 and 50 paisa given. How I will write? I will write rupees sign first because rupees 45 is given, then 45, then 50 paisa I will write. Mean whenever the paisa is given, you have to write after dot. So dot and 50 paisa, 50 you will write like this manner. Clear? Now, if I want to write this thing in words, how can I write? 45 rupees and 50 paisa. Or you can write like this manner also, rupees 45 and 50 paisa. Both the things are correct because the dot separates the rupees and paisa. And this dot come after two number, and these two number we always take from the right. The number on the left side of a dot represent rupees, means this 45 represent rupees, and the paisa represented by two digit after a dot, means after the dot this 50 is paisa. So 7 rupees 50 paisa is written as 7.50, and with that rupees sign only come. Clear? Now student, we do activity 1, question number 1, and this question number 1 we will do in a maths copy. Clear? How to do? See. Firstly, we will do important points. So you have to write this one important points in your maths copy also. In this manner only. Clear? Mention the date, lesson number, classwork, activity 1, then important point. First point is the money used in a particular country is called currency. I told you already. And Indian rupees means rupee sign is the official currency of India. And 1 rupee is equal to 100 paisa. Because this thing we will use in next activity. Clear? Now we will do question number 1. Please write down question number 1 in your maths copy. Write amount in words. So 23.75. How can I write? 23 in words. How we will write? 23 rupees. Then 75 is after dot. It means it is a paisa. So we write 75 paisa. Clear? Now we do B part. Rupees 72.50. It means that before dot is rupees. So we write 72 rupees and after dot is a paisa. So you write 72 rupees 50 paisa. Clear? Now we do the C part. Here is not given rupees. So only what we write? Only paisa. So 75 is after dot, we consider it paisa. So 75 paisa. Clear? Now I will tell you how to do D part. 812 rupees we write because it is before the dot written, and after dot 25 written, that will be considered as a paisa. So you write 812 rupees 25 paisa. Clear? Now student, we do question number 2. Question number 2 student, we do in the book only. Clear? This one question we do in the book. And students, I have done in question number 1 A, B, C, D part. So E and F part you will try by yourself in your maths fair copy. Clear? Now we do question number 2, and this one question you have to do in a book only. Clear? So firstly, you have to write in a short form. Short form means you have to write in a rupees only. Clear? 47 rupees 5 paisa. It means that 47 rupees. How you write? Rupees sign will come first. Rupees sign come first. Clear? Then 47. Clear? 5 paisa. 5 paisa will come after dot. So point 5 paisa you have to write. Only 5. So you know that when we write after the dot, we always start from the right. So 5. I said after dot how many numbers come for the paisa? 2. So if I want to write 5 only, so I will put 0 this side. Clear? Because if I put 0 at the back of the 5, it becomes 50. Clear? So we will write like this manner. Clear? Now we do the B part. 120 rupees 75 paisa. How we will write? We will write it like this manner. Rupees 120.75. Paisa will not come when you put a rupees sign, because in place of paisa we put a dot here. Clear? Now we do the C part. C part is 25 paisa. Only paisa given, not rupees. So how you write? Rupees. Then in place of rupees you put a 0. Then come dot, because after dot is the place of paisa. So paisa is 25. So you write rupees 0.25. Clear? Now you do the D part. See how to do. See, A, B, C part I already told you how to do. Now I am telling you the D part. 520 rupees means rupees sign come first, 520, then 60 paisa. 60 paisa we write after dot, and paisa will not come if you are putting dot. So remember this thing. If you put a dot also and P also, then marks will be deducted. Clear? Now E part. 80 rupees means rupees 80 you write, and after dot you will put 00. Why? Because there is no paisa given. Now F part. 2000 rupees 50 paisa. So you write rupees 2000. 2000 you know how to write dot, because 50 paisa will become after dot. Clear? In this manner we do question number 1 and 2. Clear? I hope student you are able to do it. So complete question number 1 in your maths copy and question number 2 in the book. Thank you.